let's imagine for a second that these apples are your teeth. And let's also imagine that maybe you haven't been flossing or cleaning between your teeth. These two apples have been sitting next to each other for months and months and months, and they haven't been cleaned in between. They look nice and everything looks okay, but if you take a look a little closer, you will find that in between the apples and possibly in between your teeth, there's a problem. What is that problem? It's a cavity. And that's a big deal. We don't want tooth decay between your teeth, because if there's a cavity between your teeth, it can go very quickly to the inside of the tooth. To the inside of this apple is the seeds, and that's what makes new trees, and that's kind of the heart of this apple. And in your teeth, there's a nerve on the very inside. So once the cavity gets through the outer layer of the tooth, or through the outer layer of this apple, all of a sudden, it's very, very quick to the inside of the nerve on your tooth or to the seeds on this apple. And nobody wants to eat a rotten apple, and nobody wants a rotten tooth. And a rotten tooth either will turn into a huge filling, a root canal, a crown, or an extraction. And then that means no more tooth, or a lot of expense to put a new tooth back where a tooth used to be. So this is why it is so important to clean in between your teeth, because you'd never know that you had a problem. All of a sudden though, you go and see the dentist, they take an x-ray or a photograph and show you that there's a really big problem. So next time, think about flossing your teeth, brushing your teeth, and the value that you will add to your health and to your mouth, and ultimately to your pocketbook if you take care of those teeth. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more information or you'd like to talk to us, you can contact me or Dr. Mike at reddingcaliforniadentistry.com or on our Facebook page, Nelson Family Dental Group. Be sure to clean between your teeth so you don't end up like this poor apple.